Hey, young scholars, Mr. Moran here, and for Thursday we're going to be focusing on the Mexican-American War from 1846 to 1838, and you're going to be completing this assignment using what I call the ThingLink, and I'll explain that in a moment. But when you get to your page, you'll see the word war right here, and I have in small letters scroll down because the instructions are portraying American soldiers fighting in Mexico. And get down here, it says, a little known war but an impactful event in American history was the Mexican-American War. The war changed America in the following way. It added millions of acres of land to the United States in the Southwest. This new land held many important resources such as gold, silver, oil, and fertile soil, to name a few of those resources. It gave the United States access to the Pacific Ocean, and this allowed the United States to easily open trade to China and other Asian nations. And what's amazing is this war takes place during the time that President Polk is in office, and President Polk also completes the deal with the Oregon Territory. And so between that and the Mexican-American War, there's this huge expansion that takes place, and also Texas. And so there's this huge expansion of American territory. And it all goes back to manifest destiny because President Polk truly believed in that. And opened up the issue of expanding slavery farther south and to the west. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on the link right here to ThingLink, to the ThingLink, and it says on the map you will see colored icons, red, green, yellow, and black. These icons will take you to short videos or an image. So the ThingLink will look like this, and these are the icons that we're talking about. And so you click on, let's say, this image right here, and it's a map of the territory. And I'll have a question in the quiz that relates to this. I know it's really tiny, but if you click on it again, it gets a little bit bigger. And there's videos, like this video is about California, or the Republic of California. You click on it, and for this one I just want you to watch the first 3 minutes. You're welcome to watch the entire video. It's like 6 minutes, but you click on it and it'll take you to the video, and the video will start once you click on it. But what's going to happen here is go back to Canvas, is you're going to answer some of these questions. Like here it says green video icon. The abolitionists, people opposed to slavery, viewed the new territory gained from the Mexican-American War as a conspiracy to build a true blank empire. And so you'll go back to the ThingLink and you'll click on that green icon and you'll watch the video and find the answer.
In the spring of 1846, the United States went to war with Mexico, hoping to gain vast territory.
And as you see, most of these videos are short, but you're welcome to open the quiz up at the same time as you're watching the videos or the ThingLink. So there you go. You have your assignment. If you have any questions, have any issues, please feel free to email me or visit me during office hours. Thanks and have a great day.